Hello, my name is Brandy Ross and I am the owner and operator of Be Crafty Creations. And I would like to outline for you today my business plan. The executive summary. First, we strive to meet the personal needs of our clients by creating memories. Created to personalize these items is with vinyl. Advertisement is on social media, and funding and cash flow will be discussed as well. And if the business no longer exists, all equipment and supplies will be sold. Marketing analysis. The type of industry that we are in is one that fulfills the need of preserving memories through crafty vinyl creations. We have designs that are not sold in stores, and each project is unique as I am the creator of the project. We also provide personalized products at a reasonable price. Be Crafty Creations, is a personally owned vinyl business. We specialize in personalization of hats, cups, plates, t-shirts, etc. We also make unique gifts at affordable prices. As you see with the picture, this is a lake and chill project. It is a picnic basket with a blanket that matches. Unique gifts, again, at affordable prices. Private seller of products. Everything I sell is to a private sector. It's not sold in stores, therefore allowing me to keep the prices a little bit lower. I try to work within everybody's budget, and I always make sure that your satisfaction is guaranteed. The organization and management, as I've stated, it's personally owned and operated. I am a sole proprietorship, and all operations, business decisions, project designs are controlled by me. I have an extensive background in creative crafting, sewing, and other do-it-yourself projects, and I'm passionate about what I do, and I want to share this with others. Marketing and sales. All marketing is currently done through social media outlets such as Facebook. This allows me to share pictures of finished projects with friends, and in turn they share my page with their friends of stuff that they like, therefore spreading the word about my company. Service and product line. Service and product is to offer items at a reasonable cost to help preserve customers' cherished memories. Any type of funding requests? Well, currently we operate on a cash-only basis because we are such a small company. I already own my equipment, so there is no cost there. The greatest expense is the vinyl itself, and that depends on the type of vinyl that you buy. So what I'd like to do in the future is obtain a small line of credit to create a more stable cash flow to be able to take on larger projects. And looking at the financial projections, currently, like I stated, we are small enough to be a cash-only business, but I want to take on larger projects such as t-shirts, hats, church projects, soccer teams, schools. So I will apply for a $3,000 line of credit in the near future to make sure I have a cash flow to handle that. And in 5 years, there will be a higher demand in my larger projects, as social media will be the outlet to help spread the word, creating even more cash flow for the business. Be Crafty has only been in business for 2 years and is going strong, but would like to be stronger in the near future, and the sites for that are there. So let Be Crafty Creations help create your memories. Thank you.